My dear friends, I am Dr. Omkar Prasad Vaidya. Today I will be discussing regarding the role of selenium in health and various disease condition of our body. Selenium is a essential mineral which helps in thyroid metabolism and proper thyroid function, and it has been found to be powerful antioxidant like vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin A. So selenium has been found to be very much essential for our body because it can prevent the risk of many diseases and promotes our health in various ways. So today we will try to learn how selenium plays important role in and gives benefits and how it benefits our health. Number one is it is a powerful antioxidant. Now selenium can act as a powerful antioxidant like vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin A. So selenium prevents the or neutralizes the free radical that is produced because of oxidative stress. So in day-to-day life activity, chronic alcoholism, chronic smoking and stress may leads to free radical production, which may be responsible for the oxidative stress, and it may lead to DNA damage, cell membrane lysis, cell death and many other mechanisms which may lead to aging, increased risk of cancer, increased risk of heart disease, oxidation of lipids and many mechanism it occurs, and because of that the chance of DNA damage is increased, and which increase the risk of cancers, heart disease, then premature aging and many diseases. So selenium intake actually can reduce the risk of these cancers, heart disease and many other conditions. So selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, and by acting as a powerful antioxidant it can prevent the DNA damage and the oxidative stress mediated by the various mechanisms like regular smoking or alcoholism or chronic stress or any other risk factors which increase the chance of oxidative stress is prevented by the selenium. So selenium can act as a powerful antioxidant, and it can help in our body as an important antioxidant like vitamin C, vitamin E, and it prevents the risk of many diseases. So that is the most important function of selenium. Second important function of selenium is that it prevents the risk of various cancers like breast cancer, lung cancers, prostate cancer, bladder cancer also. Even it prevents the risk of skin cancer also. So selenium plays preventive role in prevention of or lowering the risk of having or developing some cancers like prostate cancer, colon cancer, breast cancer. So selenium actually already I have told that it already work like a powerful antioxidants, and by doing that it prevents DNA damage, improve our immune system and also help or boost our immune system to fight against the cancer cell. Thus it helps in prevent DNA damage or the free radical mediated mechanism which leads to cancer, and thus prevent the risk of many cancer development. Thus regular selenium intake may be found to be associated with higher risk of cancer. So it is always advisable to take more amount of selenium in our diet, of course, so that the blood level remains in normal range, and it helps in prevention of cancers. Many cancer patients have been found to have low selenium level like cancer of the bladder, cancer of the prostate. In those patients their selenium level has been found to be less than the normal. Another important function of selenium is that it can protect against heart disease. Now selenium is responsible for maintenance of the normal heart. How? It actually responsible for prevention of oxidative stress. Now regular oxidative stress is responsible for causing inflammation, and which may leads to atherosclerotic changes, and which may increase the risk of stroke, myocardial infarction, hypertension and various heart disease. Now selenium, which acts as a powerful antioxidant, can prevent the oxidative stress and damage to the endothelial lining of the blood vessel by the free radicals, and which may prevent the chance of atherosclerosis, which prevents the risk of having myocardial infarction, stroke, even various heart disease. Thus, selenium is very much important in prevention of heart disease. Another important function of selenium is that it helps in prevention of mental decline. Means it helps in promotion of mental health. It prevents memories of decline. It promotes memories. It prevents the oxidative stress that is caused in the brain. And selenium level is associated with another enzyme known as glutathione peroxidase, which is also directly or indirectly marker of body's antioxidant system. So this selenium prevents the oxidative stress that can damage the brain also, and which may lead to Parkinsonism or multiple sclerosis or Alzheimer's disease. So directly or indirectly, selenium, because of its antioxidant mechanism, may prevent neuronal damage by oxidative stress, and thus it helps in prevention of various diseases like dementia, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and also it also helps in promotion of cognitive function of brain and prevents the memory loss of memory or decline of memory, and helps in increasing the memory, and thus it promotes the cognitive function of brain. So that is another function of selenium, is that it can affect the brain mechanism and increase the mental health. Another important mechanism of selenium is that it helps in maintenance of thyroid physiology. Actually, it directly or indirectly prevents the oxidative stress in thyroid gland, and which is responsible for damage to thyroid gland. So it prevents the damage to the thyroid gland by the oxidative stress and free radical. Thus, it helps in normal maintenance of thyroid gland. And so it has been found that in various studies that selenium deficiency may be associated with some hypothyroidism condition like Hashimoto's thyroiditis. It is a condition where thyroid gland secretion is very much less because of autoimmune mechanism, where it's also a type of autoimmune thyroiditis or inflammation of thyroid gland because of free radical mediated injury, which may lead to hypothyroidism, and it has been found to be associated with selenium deficiency. So proper intake of selenium or maintenance of the normal blood level of selenium may help in proper thyroid physiology maintenance and proper secretion of thyroid hormones. So normal thyroid gland, if you want to keep our thyroid gland function normal, we must have selenium in our diet. Another important function of selenium is that it helps in boosting immune system. Selenium actually prevents the oxidative stress or free radical mediated injury of the immune cells like T cell, B cells, various type of WBCs. So indirectly or indirectly, it prevents the oxidative stress and responsible for prevention of the free radical mediated damage to the immune cells. At the same time, it also increases the immune activity and prevent immunogenic hyper response. And in case of various immunosuppressive state like HIV, tuberculosis, influenza, hepatitis C, so these are various conditions where our immune system is badly compromised by the infecting virus or bacteria, and because of that, the selenium may play an important role in increase the immune system in case of patient. So many HIV patient has been found to be have selenium deficiency, and proper intake of selenium may improve the immune system of the various immunosuppressed condition like HIV, tuberculosis, even influenza infected patients, as well as conditions like hepatitis C positive patients. Thus, selenium also helps in boosting our immunity. Another important mechanism by which selenium can benefits our body is that it helps in prevention of the asthma sign symptoms. So asthma is nothing but allergy of the airways. It may be because of allergy to the pollen grains or dust, because of which there is an increase in the resistance of the airways. So another terminology we can tell it is asthma is a airway inflammation in response to an allergy. Now selenium intake actually reduces chronic inflammation. Because of its antioxidant quality, it prevents inflammation, and thus it prevents the airway inflammation, and it prevents or or decrease the progression of asthma and try to inhibit the asthma sign symptoms. So this is one of the important function of selenium, that it inhibits the development of or reduce the sign symptoms of asthma. This is another important function of selenium. Now another important selenium function is that it also helps in maintenance of prostate health. So here normal physiology of the prostate can be maintained with normal level of selenium. Now it has been found that in prostate cancer patients there is a deficiency of selenium, or selenium deficiency may lead to prostate cancer also. So this proves that to maintain normal prostate gland health we should take selenium through our body. Another important mechanism or important function of selenium is that it helps in resetting of circadian rhythm in case of insomnia patients. For those patients who are suffering from sleep deprivation or insomnia, for them they cannot sleep for longer time because their sleep is irregular. So their circadian rhythm has a chance of shifting into new direction. So selenium tries to prevent the change of the circadian rhythm or helps in resetting of the circadian rhythm in case of insomnia patients. So selenium has also some effect on sleep also. Besides, selenium is also responsible for maintenance of the fertility and reproductive health both in male and female. So directly or indirectly, selenium also responsible for maintenance of fertility and reproductive health of male and female. Another important function of selenium is that it also helps in maintaining of our mood. So it can make us happy and prevents the development of depression and anxiety. So selenium can prevent depression as well as anxiety and also elevates our mood. So it is a mood boosting essential mineral. So those person who are having depression or suffering from depression, they can take selenium supplements, and it may the sign symptoms of depression can improve with time because of selenium therapy. Another important mechanism is that selenium also fight against some cancers like prostate cancer and bladder cancers. So deficiency of selenium has been reported in patients suffering from prostate gland cancer or bladder cancer. The selenium is very much important for prevention of cancer like prostate cancer, bladder cancer and breast cancer also. Another important mechanism is that it prevents the development of some disease known as Cashman's disease. Cashman's disease actually it's a cardiological manifestation of selenium deficiency. It occurs, it's a cardiological condition. Here there may be cardiomyopathy may be there because of deficiency of selenium. So which proves that selenium is very much important for prevention of myocardial injury or maintenance of the normal muscle health of cardiac tissue or normal function of cardiac muscle. So in case of selenium deficiency, it may lead to Cashman's disease, which is a type of cardiomyopathy. Selenium deficiency also prevents malabsorption also. So those children suffering from malabsorption syndrome, where because of nutrition deficiency, who are suffering from regular nutrition deficiency because of malabsorption syndrome, they can take selenium because selenium increase the chance of proper absorption of various nutrition and prevents the malabsorption, and especially in children who are suffering from malabsorption and protein energy malnutrition and nutrition lack of nutrition because of malabsorption. For them, they can take selenium as it prevents malnutrition. Another important function of selenium is that it also helps in prevention of cardiomyopathy or heart muscle pathology. So heart muscle pathology may be because of selenium deficiency. Another important mechanism or benefit of selenium intake is that it helps in maintenance of normal intracranial pressure. So in case of selenium deficiency, intracranial pressure may be altered. So it has been found in various studies, some studies, that intracranial pressure maintenance may be associated with selenium proper supplement. So selenium can maintain normal intracranial pressure. Another important mechanism or benefit is that selenium helps in removal of dandruff from the scalp. So those patients who are suffering from dandruff, and they can try with selenium supplements, because selenium supplements can help in removal of the dandruffs from the body. Besides, selenium has been found to be very much good for hair also, just like vitamin E or and function of aloe vera. All of you know it is a immune boosting mechanism. It boosts the immunity and it is good for hair. Selenium is also helps in proper hair growth, and also it helps in prevention of dendrite formation from the scalp. Besides, it is also act as a it also acts as an important antioxidant mechanism for brain also, and it raises the glutathione peroxidase activity enzyme and responsible for antioxidant mechanism and prevents the free radical mediated injury to the brain, and thus it prevents the various neurological complications that is because of free radical mediated injury or oxidative stress. So thus it maintains the normal function of brain. So for brain health also, or for normal working of the brain also, selenium also plays very important role. And another important function of selenium is that it prevents bladder cancer. So it has been studied in various studies that those subjects suffering from bladder cancer, they have already some low level of selenium or selenium deficiency. So selenium deficiency may leads to bladder cancer. It has been proved in some studies. So it may prevent the. This also proved that selenium can be protective in case of bladder cancer patients, or it may prevent the risk of development of bladder cancer. Another important function of selenium is that it prevents aging and all the related complication or changes that occur because of aging. So aging is a normal phenomena that occurs to every individual, and most common theory of aging is because of free radical mediated injury. So why we ages or why we grow older with time? This is because of production of free radicals increases with time, with ages. As our ages advance, the aging process will increase, and this because of the aging process there is a more production of free radicals, and they lead to the increased oxidative stress in our body, and because of this oxidative stress they cause damage to various tissues of the body, and gradually over time these tissues become very much weak, and that's why we suppose kidney function starts declining, heart also become decreased, ejection fraction falls, memory also loses, then eyesight also disturbed, then heart also become weak, skin also become wrinkled. So these are various changes of the aging mechanism, and selenium, because of its antioxidant mechanism, is a powerful antioxidant, and thus it prevents the damage of the free radical to the various tissues of the body, and thus it prevents oxidative stress and prevents the aging mechanism. So that is one of the important role of selenium, like vitamin E and vitamin C. Those they are also, other antioxidants are vitamin C and vitamin E also, they also help in prevention of aging. So selenium is also can be added to prevent anti-aging medicine. Another important function is that selenium is responsible for lowering the inflammation level in the body. So selenium deficiency, it has been found that C-reactive protein is very much high, and on supplementation with selenium the C-reactive protein gradually decline. So this proves that selenium is responsible for prevention of inflammation through its antioxidant mechanism. So it prevents various type of skin damage because of inflammation, prevents the eczema or wounds in various parts of the body, and indirectly or indirectly it prevents inflammation. Another important function of selenium is that it can be improves the skin health and prevents acne formation. Now acne formation can be prevented by selenium, and at the same time it prevents skin eczema, then skin scar, and promotes skin health. So those person who are very skin conscious or beauty conscious, so for cosmetic purpose also selenium can be very much effective. Like vitamin E, it can found to be very much or found to be effective in treating various skin disorders also, because it also responsible for increasing the wound healing capacity of the skin. It promotes skin health, prevents acne formation and other skin infections. Selenium has also been found to be effective in male fertility. It boosts male fertility. How? It increases the sperm motility, sperm quality, prevents sperm abnormality. At the same time, it also helps and promotes fertilization of the ovum and formation of zygote. So in fertilization process or in human reproductive process, selenium plays important role. Thus, selenium is also good for maintaining normal reproductive health as well as male fertility, as it can boost up the sperm motility or sperm health. So normal sperm physiology is maintained along with normal selenium level. Besides, selenium can also prevent mercury toxicity, because selenium prevents reabsorption of mercury from the intestine. So in case of mercury toxicity or excessive intake of mercury by any individual, you can take selenium, because selenium can prevent mercury reabsorption, and thus it can prevent the complication because of mercury toxicity. So in case of mercury toxicity also, selenium plays important role. Besides, it has been found to be protective in prevention of various cardiomyopathy also, or heart muscle disorder or heart muscle pathology. So these are the various important function of selenium, and out of this most important is that because of its antioxidant power, or because it can work as a powerful antioxidant, it can prevent against cancer like cancer colon, cancer breast, prostate cancer, bladder cancer, even some lung cancer also. And it can prevent aging, and it can prevent heart disease, it can boost our immunity. At the same time, it also boost our skin health, and for cosmetic purpose also is very much important. So these are the various important function of selenium in our body. So we should always take selenium in our diet. And what is the diet rich in selenium? Diet rich in selenium is known as Brazil nut. So Brazil nut is one of the important food where selenium is present in high quantity. Besides, it is also present in tuna fish also. Then sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds you can add it to your snacks, because it contains a lot of selenium. Besides, it is also present in egg. So that is the biggest important thing, that those person who are taking normally egg, they are taking a selenium through diet. So you should take Brazil seeds or Brazil nuts, tuna fish, then sunflower seeds and egg also. So these are the various important source of selenium. But we should not forget that selenium overdose may also be fatal. It may lead to acute selenium toxicity, which may lead to neurological sign symptoms, kidney failure, heart attack, even death also. So these are the selenium toxicity. So it is always better to take selenium through some diet rather than directly taking supplementation or as a tablets form. That's why it is because direct intake from the tablet form may increase the selenium level, and if it is not maintained, the dose is not maintained in right, it may lead to over toxicity or because of overdosing, and it may create various problems. So there are many toxicities, but normally selenium toxicity does not occur, and if it happens also, it may lead to early stage, it may lead to minor signs symptoms like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, all those things. In later stage, if it is very much acute selenium toxicity, it may lead to some complications, severe complications. So it is we must tell selenium is very much beneficial for our body. It may prevent risk of various cancer, it may prevent aging. Those person who want to remain, everyone wants to prevent aging actually, everyone like their young life. So everyone wants to be young. So to maintain your youth, you should keep our whole system free from free radicals, which is responsible for aging mechanism, and selenium is best antioxidant along with other than vitamin C and vitamin E, and also plays important role in prevention of various risk of cancers. Thank you very much.